Okay. Good evening, everyone. So today, in session number 7, we are going to discuss a paper. Actually, I have sent that paper to your group already. So that is a third-term paper from the Sabaragamo province. I will share that paper. I think, I believe that you have done that. So we'll go through each question, and those we need like kind of a explanation, I will explain it on the board. Other questions, theory questions, I will read the answer, and if they are like a way to find out, I will show you how to find out the answers, right? Okay, now if you have done that, you can check your marks. First question. Computer is also a system. It task is as follows. Choose the answer that contains the relevant word in the blank. Now here its main function is to receive A, B, and C is the things that you have to find out A, B, C, D, C, D up to D, right? So its a main function is to receive what you are receiving to the computer. Actually, you are getting data. Then after processing, you get information. And you can save it for or store it for further purposes, further needs. So you are receiving data, so you have only one answer, that having data as the input. So third answer should come for the first question. Second one, while inputting the QR code, its input device is, now when you scan a QR code, you have to use a camera or QR scan, right? So we can take input device as camera of a smartphone. Don't take the smartphone as it is. You have to take the camera. Camera is the input device, not the smartphone. So through the smartphone, but you are using the camera. Then we'll go to the third question. The characteristic that is not relevant to preserving the value of an information. So now when you take value of information, you have some characteristic, relevance. You have, if it is a valuable information, you should have relevance, timeliness, completeness. That should be there. But high value, there's no such a thing called high value for when you are considering about the value of information. So it is fourth answer. Then we'll go to the fourth question. The government service of reading of water bills of the houses and the method of preparing of the bill. So actually, when you take that service, it is given by government to the citizens. The service is given by government to the citizen. And you know that bill is coming every month. That means whole month what you have consumed will be calculate together and prepare the bill. So that is called batch processing. Now when you take online or real time is at the same time, but it is not at the same time, it is coming every month. So each month you are getting that bill. That means each month they are like finding how much units you have consumed. So that is first answer is coming as. Then we'll go to the next one. Not an advantage of having e-banking service. So when you take e-banking, you know that is banking through the internet. So not an advantage. Susceptibility to phishing. Now phishing means, now you know that is taking your your PIN numbers, password through an email. That is called phishing. So it is not an advantage of getting phishing through the emails and all that. So that is not an advantage. Others are advantage. So you can take the first one as the answer. Then sixth one, Windows operating system has graphical user interface. The generation of computers that came to use the graphical user interface is fourth generation. That is fourth answer. Fourth answer. Then seventh one, the computer board that can deliver high quality output that capable of mounting television settings. So you can connect television even by using the HDMI. That is second answer. This diagram shows the operation of the modem device. Now, modem means it is actually converting analog signals to digital and vice versa. That means digital to analog. Both is doing. Nowadays, we can't see a modem, but when you take routers, actually inside the router, modem is built in, like embedded, right? So the modulation and demodulation are called respectively. Digital signal to analog, wave and analog to digital. That is third answer. Then we'll go to the ninth question. Temporary memory that has the highest access speed. Highest access speed is there. When you take the hierarchy, registers have the highest speed. So first one. The number that is not equal to 35. So 35, you have to convert it to different number systems. Now, when you take 35, so first one is in binary. So you have binary value 1 0 0 0 1 1. So 2 to the power 0, that is 1 2 4 8 16 32. When you add them together, you get 35. So first one is getting 35. That is not the answer. I will take 23 octal. 23 in octal. So how to get that? 8 to the power 0, that is 1. 8 to the power 1 is 8. So 8 into 2, 16 plus 3, you get 19. That you don't get the output. That you don't get the output. I think you can understand how to find out. Now, if you get something like that, you have to add them together and get the output. Add them together and get the output for the binary values. Binary values. Okay. Then we will see the answer. So it is second answer. I think you are clear with that, right? Right. Now, if you know here, we got the answer in the second one, right? But now, if you have more, like you have to calculate and find it out. Okay, we'll go to the next question. If the RGB, and here there's a printing mistake is there. 225 should be 255. In the paper, you have a printing mistake. Right? 255, when you take the colors, what will happen? You have to convert it to hexadecimal. You have to divide by 16 and get the value. So when you divide 255 by 16, your answer will be FF. So you have 255, two 255s. එහෙනම් අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම FA හතරක් එක දිගට එන්න ඕනේ. මේකෙත් තියෙනවා මේකෙත් තියෙනවා. Right? And the B0 definitely it should be a different answer. Now suppose you don't know. දැන් මේක ඔයගොල්ලෝ හිතන්නකෝ ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නේ නැහැ මේක කරගන්න. දැන් මෙතන පොඩි printing mistake එකක් තියෙනවා, but suppose you have 255. But you don't know how to convert it to the RGB values, you don't know. But you can imagine without knowing the ICT knowledge, but still you can find 255, 255. That means should get the same answer. And B0, different answer. third answer එක මෙතන select කරන්න ඒසියෙම පුළුවන්. Right? Then next one. Okay, I will a gate that is not equivalent to the following gate. O gate is sorry, not gate is given. Not එකක් දීලා තියෙනවා. ඒකට මම ඒකත් එක්ක ඔයගලන්ට පෙන්නන්නම් මෙතන how to find out. Now here we have not gate in the question. එකේ දීලා තියෙනවා not එකක් ඔය විදියට. First answer is two NAND gates and a NOT gate. So when you take NAND gates, two NAND gates, again NOT gate, right? Now when you give AB through a NAND gate, it will work as a dot B dash, right? Again it is going through another NAND gate, here A dot B dash dash, right? Again, it is going through a NOT gate, A dot B dash, 3 dashes you can take now, right? Now, when you take 2 dashes, it is just as normal AB, right? Now, there's a kind of a laws are there, but in your syllabus, it is not there at the moment, but like 2016, before 2016 or 11, you had something, right? So anyway, if you take a now you don't know about the laws and all that, right? Now, but if you take the truth table of that, A dot B dash means NAND gate. You can write NAND gates truth table 1 1 1 0. Again A dot B dash dash means other side again. That is again it become 0 0 0 1. Again another dash. Again you are writing 1 1 1 0. Now you can understand whatever your output will be converted to the other side. Will be converted to the other side because of this NOT gate. Now suppose if your answer is finishing here, then your AB become dash. Again, because of these two dashes, it's just like an AND gate. So it is not converted to other side. But because of this one, it is converted to the other side. Right? It is converted to other side. So you can take it as a NOT gate. එකක් පළවෙනි එක not එකට අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන්. Right? ඊළඟට බලමු. not එක කියන්නේ අනිත් පැත්ත හැරිලාද කියන එක තමයි මේකෙන් අපි බලන්නේ, right? Next one අපි ගන්නවා NAND gate. You have A on T, right? So when you input A is coming. Here you get A dot A dash. A එක අනිත් පැත්ත හැරිලා කියලා අපි කියනවා. ඒක අනිත් පැත්ත හැරිලා මේක අපි simplify. There's a simplification methods, but I'm not going to teach them. That's for the A level, right? So but anyway you have a dash නේ කියන්නේ අනිත් පැත්ත හැරිලා. It's working like a NOT gate. That is also true. ඒකත් අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන්. අනිත් එක ගන්න AB you take as a no gate. So AB A plus B dash other side මේ other side එක not එකක් විදිහට වැඩ කරනවා කියලා එකකින් කියන්නේ, right? Actually මේක හැදිලා තියෙන්නේ O gate and NOT gate නේ. ඒකට other side එක හැදිලා තියෙනවා. So when you take the fourth answer, no gate is given, another no gate is given. Here you get A plus B dash. I මෙතන දෙනවා A plus B dash dash. එතකොට just like KB එක නිකන් ඒක හරියට A plus B වලට සමානයි. That means it is not converted to the other side. අර පැත්තට හැරිලා නැහැ. අනිත් පැත්තට හැරිලා නැහැ. ඒක නිසා අපි ගන්නේ fourth answer. That's why we are taking the fourth answer, right? So 12th question we have to take the fourth answer. I think you can understand that, right? Then 13 I think it is easy. Equivalent logic circuit for AB plus C dash. AB plus C dash. So AB, that is the O gate. plus, sorry, AB is an AND gate plus OR gate, C dash, other side of C, that's the NOT gate. තව NOT gate එකක් connect කරන්න වෙනවා. එහෙනම් කොහොමද අපේ answer එක එන්න ඕනේ? Second answer. Second answer. Yeah, second answer, right, Sunil? I think you are referring to this question, right? Okay, then yes, Kutel, which question? 12th question, no. 12th question you are getting as a NOT gate, no? Here the question is gate not equivalent to the NOT gate. NOT gate එකක් වෙන්නේ නැති එකයි අහන්නේ. එතකොට from the second answer you are getting NOT gate because A dot A dash other side. අනිත් පැත්ත හැරෙනවා ඒකේ. ඒ නිසා ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. ඒක ගන්න පුළුවන්. මේක අහන්නේ not equivalent. ඒක නිසා තමයි අපි fourth answer එක ගත්තේ. Okay, then we'll go to the 14th question. The program that does not use to bootstrap booting process of the computer. Booting process එකට අපි පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ නැති program එක. Post power on self-test, BIOS, basic input-output system. Bootstrap loader is there. CMOS, not a program, but you have the memory there, right? CMOS memory we need, but it's not a program. Program එකක් විදිහට අපි ගන්නෙ නැහැ. ඒක නිසා අපි fourth answer එකට යනවා. 14th, fourth answer. 15, the file management system of Windows operating system. Nowadays, actually, this question should be changed because earlier Windows we had FAT32. I discussed that through the operating system lesson. But nowadays we have new technology file system. So we'll take the first answer, but there's a small mistake in the question because FAT32 even we can use for the Windows. Earlier Windows we used that. But here you can take first one as the answer. Then 16th, this is not my paper, this is from I took from the Sabaragamu provincial. So right, maybe in the questions like in the their third term examination they have instructed this kind of thing, but we don't get those instruction because I am in Western province, right? Anyway, right, well, I took this paper because you can have some kind of different experience with this one. Because most of the Western province you have done. Support seminar, you have done everything. So I took this one. Okay, 16, consider these icons. The icon that help you to recover an undone action is. So you can take second answer. Right? Second one. One method that can be used to match the proof of document prepared in word processing software is. So you have one method that can be used to match the proof. So you can use imagine that you find in words and replace it with the other words. So you can find and replace can be used to match the proof. Now, if you don't have ICT in a word, they can replace by the maths. To find and replace, we can use that. Lazy. So this is the best answer you can take. Okay, we'll go to the Excel one. Can you try them out? 16 and 19 and 20. Sorry, 18, 19 and 20. Try to find out the answer. If you have find out already, you can send me the answers through the chat. Others can find quickly. Now Excel we have done whole session. Yes, good. I got a few answers. Okay, we'll see. 18. The answer of sum A1, comma, C3, comma, D2. So you can give commas, doesn't matter. That means A1 is here, 7. C3 is here, 4. D2 is here, 4. So that is 15. Fourth answer. Good. You have sent me the correct answers. Good. Then 19th. The answer of max. Max, the range is given B1. B1 is here to D3. D3 is here. That whole thing. මෙන්න මේ ඔක්කොගෙම එයා බලන්න. මේ set එකෙන්ම maximum එක. So what is the value? 9. That is first answer. So you have to consider about range. Range එක හරියට බලන්න. Which function can we use to find out the number of cells in the cell range? Actually, number of cells කිව්වොත් නම් වැරදි. Number of cells which contain values. Values තියෙන එක තමයි අපි ඇත්තටම හොයන්නේ. එතන මේ වගේ පොඩි පොඩි mistakes තියෙනවා. Values තියෙන cell එක හොයන්න අපි දන්නවා ඉතින් අපේ function එක count කියන එක, right? So count can be used to count number of cells which have the values. එතකොට අපි if you put letters A B කියලා දැම්මොත් එහෙම it won't count. So there's another function called count, but it is not in your syllabus. So don't worry about that. Count කියන function එක තමයි අපිට පාවිච්චි කරන්න වෙන්නේ. Okay, 21. Consider the following statement regarding e-presentation. E-presentation. Action button can be used to move from slide to slide. That's correct. The e-presentation can be printed as a handout. That is also correct. Header and footer cannot be applied. No, you can apply for the e-presentation. PowerPoint එකට අපි දාන්න පුළුවන් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. එහෙනම් A and B only. Okay, access 1. Access also I took separate lesson and did. So I am expecting your answers. Answers 22, 23, 24. Evan ban answers. We'll see 22, a foreign key. Foreign key, now I told you, primary key of one table is repeating in another table. That is called foreign key, right? Primary key of now primary keys are where you have student number as a primary key for the student table. Sport ID as a primary key of the sport table. Student number and sport ID together is a primary key for the student sport table. Now, what is the foreign key? Now you can see this student number primary key is coming here. Sport ID again coming here. So in this table, when you take them separately, if you take them separately, it's a foreign key. The student number inside the student sport table is a foreign key. Sport ID inside the student sport table is a foreign key. When you take them separately, make answer sport ID in student sport table. That is third answer. Then asking what is the primary key of student sport table. Student sport table is primary key. Primary key that is a composite primary key is there. May they get a good way. Hey, after may they get Taniama Ganda Ben. Hey, may student number repeating me. Ganda Ben. May sport ID is repeating me. Can you see that? But if you take them together, that's a primary key. Student number plus sport ID, that is the first answer. Then we'll go to the next one. What is the cardinality of the student table? Sport table. Now, when you take a student, one student can play, you can see two different sports. A student can play many sports. Then when you take sport ID, there's no such a thing called composite foreign key. Right? Okay, right? Anyway, you can ask any question, doesn't matter, right? No, there's no such a thing called composite foreign key. Composite primary key is there, right? When you take sport, make a sport tag ගත්තාම ඒක කරන ළමයිනුත් කීප දෙනෙක් එහෙනම් මේකේ one student can do many sport. When you take one sport can do by many students. Here your cardinality is many to many. Right? Third answer. Okay, we'll go to next one. Which is not a computer language. Translator. අපි දැන් දන්නවා translators මොනවද කියලා. Right? We already know that. What are they? Compiler is there, interpreter is there, assembler for the assembly language. And procedure කියලා එකක් නැහැ. Translator එකක් නැහැ. So fourth answer. Okay. Then we'll go to the next question from the flow chart. We have done a two session for the flowchart, pseudocode, and the Pascal. So I am expecting you answer for 26 and 27. Harimalesi. (26 and 27). So you can send me the answer. Some of you have sent me. So if 19 entered for the N here, the color obtained is, so here input N venot අපි දානවා දැන් 9. Sorry, 19. Sorry, 19. 19 එක දාන්න. So what will be the answer? So 19 mod 4. 19 එක 4ෙන් බෙදලා remaining value එක අහන්න. So when you divide 19 by 4, 3 only. ඒ කියන්නේ sorry, 4 only, 16. So remaining value kiyada? 3 is the remaining value. 3 is the remaining value. And on the remaining value will be assigned to the R. On the R E0 the ne. No better. R1 the ne. R2 the ne. It will be display yellow. That is fourth answer. Fourth answer. Then the control structure in the flow chart is control structure මොකද්ද මේක මෙහෙම ගිහිල්ලා බැරි වෙලා හරි මෙහෙම ඇවිල්ලා මෙතනට ආවනම් හරි මෙහෙ කොහෙට හරි උඩට ආවනම් ඔයාට තියෙනවා repetition එකක්. හැබැයි මේකේ නෑ ඒ only it is showing only the color one time. එකපාරක් color එක පෙන්වන එක ඉවර වුණා. එතකොට මේකේ you have input and then you are finding the R, that is a sequence එකක් තියෙනවා, and you have some kind of a selection. එහෙනම් sequence and selection. Fourth answer. Fourth answer. Okay, 28. For the first questions, you have to check the. You can check the video, and later you can check your answers. Right? Don't worry about it. Right? Okay. 28. 29, 30, 31. Now I have done Pascal, flowchart, pseudocode. Now I told you, right? I told you now you can't just escape from the Pascal flowchart because you will be getting MCQs. Definitely the mathematical MCQ from that lesson. So you can't just escape from the lesson either. But you can without doing, you can essay type question, you can just miss that, ignore that, but here you have to do. All right, try to find out 28, 29, 30 and 31. If you have watched my videos, if you are in the class, definitely you can do these 4 questions without any problem, I believe. Right? Okay, we'll see. Try to send me the answers. Now when you get this kind of 28 question, I told you how to do that. I'm not going to do that. Then make x කියන එක මෙහෙම දාගෙන මං කිව්වා ලියන්න කියලා. ඒකෝ දිව්වොත් ඔයගලන්ට වරදින්නේ නැහැ කියලා මං කිව්වා. හරි ඒ නිසා try කරන්න ඒ විදිහට. Try to do that method. Follow that method. I got the answer from Sunet quickly. What about others? Ama, Chamoda, Demita. Try to find out the answer. Even Isayu right now. So you can send me the answers quickly. Ama, I'm expecting your answer. Send me the answer quickly. Okay, first question, I'm going to do that. First in the sense 28th question. X here. X is at the beginning 15. Right? 15. On the 15 X is 15. Repeat. I will write here. On X I will write here X 15. Repeat, display X. 15 pen. 15 will be displayed. X equal X minus 3. So X become 12. On a 12 repeat. display 12 then 12 පෙන්නනවා. ඒක ඇවිල්ලා අඩු වෙලා පස්සේ තමයි පෙන්නන්නේ. Again deduct 3. එතකොට මේක 9 වෙනවා. 9 වුණාම until x less than 5. Less than 5 නෑ, because when you take the repeat until condition, repeat until මතක තියාගන්න, repeat until එකේ ඔයා හැම වෙලේම බලන්න ඕනේ condition true වුණාම තමයි එළියට යන්නේ. දැන් තාම මෙයා එළියට යන්නේ නැහැ, because 9 is less than 5 නෑ. එහෙනම් ආයි උඩට යනවා. 9 එකත් පෙන්නනවා. තව 3ක් අඩු වෙනවා. මේක 6 හැදෙනවා. 6 එක හැදිලා less than 5 නෑ. less than 5 නෙවෙයි, ඔන්න 6 එක පෙන්නනවා. ඊට පස්සේ 3 හැදෙනවා, right? 3 හැදෙනවා, but when it comes to here, what will happen? 3 හැදුනට මෙතනින් යනවාද ආයුරට? නෑ, less than 5 years. එහෙනම් එයා exit වෙනවා. 3 හැදුනට එයා පෙන්නන්නේ. එයා පෙන්නන්නේ 15, 12, 9 and 6 only. So first answer. 29. So I got several answers. Thank you for actively participating for the seminar, right? ඔයගලන්ට උත්තර වැරදින්න පුළුවන්, කවන්න නැහැ. එවන්. එතකොට ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැන් මම හදුවාම ඔයගලන්ට තේරෙනවා අයියෝ මට මෙන්න මේ විදිහට හදුවා නම් I can find out the answer without any problem, right? Some of you have done very good because they have sent me the all correct, some of you, right? Okay, good, right? Then next one, here with 10 is entered for n. n එකට මෙතන 10 දෙනවා. So here inside the bracket it become 12, right? Then 2 to the power 3 is 8, right? 12 due 8. So due means what? We have discussed. Due means like division. Division එකක් වගේ 12 එක 8ෙන් බෙදුවාම you get 1 point ගානක් තමයි එන්නේ, 1.5 හරි මොනවා හරි තමයි එන්නේ. But with the due command, due operator, it just ignore the decimal point. Decimal point එක සම්පූර්ණයෙන් මෙයා අතරලා දාන්න. ඒක අතරලා දාන්න නිසා your answer will be 1. Your answer will be 1. That is second answer. Then next one. So you have a array given list, days කියලා එකක් දීලා තියෙනවා. Then what is the index of element 7? මේ element 7 එක තියෙන කොහෙද? මම කිව්වා when you are taking the index you are starting from 0. ඔන්න 0ත් එක 1 එක මේක 2. එහෙනම් second index එකේ තමයි 7 කියන value එක තියෙන්නේ. So that is the second answer. What is the value of days 1? Days 1 කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? මෙතන 0. 1 කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේක 5. Plus days 2 7. Plus days 4 0 1 2 3 4. මෙන්න මේ තුන තමයි add කරන්න ඕන. 5 plus 7 plus 9. When you add them together, what is the answer you are getting? It's in 21. Okay. So fourth answer. So remember, when you are taking the Pascal list or array එකක් අපි ගන්නෙ, array ගත්තාම your indexing is starting with 0. So the 0th position. Now, if I ask how many values are there, how many are blank with the blank space, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. හැබැයි මේ 7, 8 කියුවට මෙයා index එක යන්නේ 0 to 7. Altogether 8. But you have 0 to 7 index. එක මතක තියාගන්න. That is the main point when you are talking about the arrays. Okay, අනිත්‍යවා theory අපි බලගෙන යමු. 32. Category of lossless. Lossy and lossless compressions are there. I think I discussed it. I discussed only that part, but because it's in the unit 4. Unit 4 එකේ තියෙන මම හැබැයි lossy and lossless එක කතා කරා. Operating system එකේ මට මතක හැටියට පොඩ්ඩක් කතා කරා ඒක. So lossy compression means when you compress the data, it will lose some data. You can but you cannot go back to the original. අපෝ original එක හම්බෙන්නේ නැහැ. Lossless compression කරොත්. but sorry, lossy compression current. But when you do lossless compression, what you can go back to the original one. What it is compression technique is there. I explained it when we were doing operating system. So make a category of lossless format images කියලා අහන්නේ. එතකොට අපිට answer එක විදියට ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ GIF එක third answer. A disadvantage of creating saving a document via Google Docs is expressed as when you're using Google Docs. If you have poor performance on low speed content, then there's a problem. And the speed එක අඩු නම් අපේ performance අඩු වෙනවා. ඒක තමයි අපේ disadvantage එකක් විදියට ගන්න වෙන්නේ. Which of the following does not belong to the category of cybercrime? Cybercrime එකට අයිති නැති එක. Unauthorized use of creation created by others. Right? So fourth answer. The tag used to represent definition list. Definition list, we have discussed HTML. Last time we discussed HTML ටික ඔක්කොම අපි කතා කරා. හරිම ලේසි පාඩමක්. Definition list, DL tag. Which of set of tags are used to format the following text? මෙතන පොඩ්ඩක් answer එකක්. There's a problem here. අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් underline is there. That means U කියන එක තියෙනවා. List item එකක් ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා. LI කියන එකත් අපිට තියෙනවා. bold වෙලා වගේ පේනවා. එහෙනම් B කියන එකත් අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන්. What else? Then what else? H1 එකකුත් අපිට ඕන නම් ගන්න පුළුවන් because the large text is there. එතකොට මේකට අපිට answers කීපයක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. 36 එකට third එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. Second even you can take because of the H1. ඒකට කීපයක් ගන්න පුළුවන් ඒවා තියෙනවා. OL එකක් ගන්න බෑ. Fourth answer ගන්න බෑ because OL is not there. It's unordered list. UL එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒතර first එකත් ඕන නම් අපිට ගන්න. එහෙම බැලුවොත් එහෙමත් ගන්න පුළුවන්, right? Here, no, we can't take second answer for the 34. The thing is because we are giving false information. False information then cybercrime. You can check your if you go through the textbook last unit cybercrime is a sector. So you can't take the second answer. Fourth answer is the correct one. Okay. Then we'll go to the next questions. You are asking, yeah, 34 now, right? 34, right? Okay. We'll go to the next one. 37. A point that should not be taken into account when choosing media resource for the website. Website media select point that should not be taken into account. What we consider unnecessary noise, graphical compression, selection of media according to copyright, minimizing the inclusion of links as much as. So there's no such a thing. Now, first answer. Those are the theories. You have to go through the theory part also. I didn't discuss much theory. Theory අපි ගොඩක් කතා කරේ නැහැ. ඉතින් theory ටික බලන්න වෙනවා අනිවාර්යයෙන්. 38. An example for a strong password. Strong password නම් usually you have to have capital simple letters together, then some symbols, then at least 6 or 8 characters. So වගේ බලුවාම අපිට best answer you can take as second one. 39. Not applicable to system testing. Testing the code, have some familiar with the program, test the system. have someone familiar with the database files, check the system, given the input and getting only the required output. No, we can't tell whether we are we can check whether we, after giving the input, whether we are getting correct output කියලා බලන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි අපිට required output මෙනවා කියලා කියන්න බෑ. එතකොට we will take the fourth answer. Which of the following address is not suitable for IP address? Now, when you take IP address, you know, your value should be between 0 to 255 එන්නෝනේ අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම value එකක්. And you have 4 versions because IPv4 කියන එක තමයි ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ syllabus එකේ අපි කතා කරන්නේ. You have 4 versions. ඒ කියන්නේ කෑලි 4යි තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් first one you can take without any problem. Second one even you can take. Third one even you can take 255. You know, inclusive 255. Yeah? Doesn't matter. Have a fourth one gone away because of the 256. And fourth answer. If you have done it, ගෙදර දී ඒ ටික කරලා තිබ්බනම් කවුරු හරි බලන්න how much you got. ලකුණු කීයක් ආවද කියලා. හරි අපි second question එකට යමු. First part එක just go through. I will discuss it quickly. Try කරමු බලන්න. This is a compulsory question you have to do. අනිවාර්යෙන් කරන්න ඕන question එක. Okay, beta reader visit the house and uses his phone to enter house number and the home dila තියෙනවා. Write two inputs. Write two inputs, the process and the output. So input you can take house number, reading of electricity, all that. Process will be like calculating the bill. Output will be the monthly bill or text message you can take. The utility software is used to improve the efficiency of the computer. Name two utility software. So what are you? Disk cleanup, formatting, this defragment, backups, so many file management systems, compression tools, antivirus guard. Can take so many samples. Vim shows the four main parts, graphical user interface. Name them. We have discussed in the operating system. Windows, icons, menus and pointers. Windows, icons, menus and pointers. Unguided media are classified as follows. Name A and B. So unguided media, you have microwave is given. So what else you have? Radio waves and infrared even you can take. Identify A, B, C, D in the diagram. Write the one function position. Okay. So A usually you can have either switch or hub. B you can take as a server. Now actually when you take hub and switch you can tell function is connecting computers together, connecting computers in a network. Server you can tell managing centralized software, hardware and all that. B. C, printer you can use for the printing purposes. Then D is router, connecting your network to another network or internet. Okay, then next one, convert the B කියන එකට no, you can't take as a computer. Computer කියන්න එපා because computer is there. Computers දීලා තියෙන අරක පොඩ්ඩක් වෙනස් එකක් විදියට දීලා තියෙන. It's a server computer එකක් කියලා එහෙනම් ලියන්න. If you don't have the word server, you don't get. D firewall නෙවෙයි පුතේ. Firewall එකක් තියෙනවා නම් firewall එකක් through only we can't go to the internet. Internet එකට යන firewall එකක් විතරක් තිබිලා මදි because internet is given. Internet කියන එක දීලා තියෙනවනේ මෙතන මේ. එතකොට කලින් firewall එකේ යන්න බෑ. අනිත් එක මේ symbol එකක් කොහොමද ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඒක තමයි දන්නේ. ඒවත් ඇති. Symbol it's for the router, right? Anyway, you can't connect to the but between router එකයි මෙන්න මෙතන switch එක අතරට firewall එකක් you can have a firewall in between, right? But here you can't have. Okay, convert to octal and hexadecimal. Octal karanna you have to I have discussed number systems. Number system එක අපි කතා කරලා තියෙනවා. octal කරන්න ඔයගොල්ලෝ මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ? Just separate each 3 digit. Hexadecimal can 4 digits. So your answer will be 307. 307 for the octal. Octal එකට එන්නේ 307 කියන value එක. Right? Hexadecimal, when you convert to hexadecimal, you get C7. C7. Right? C7. So we have done them up here. Number system kala තියෙනවා. Logic gate kala තියෙනවා. What is the construct the truth table also? You have to construct the truth table also. මෙතන එන්නේ A dot B. A dot B dash again plus C. All the way output again. So when you construct the truth table, your output will be, I'm not going to do that. When you take 3 inputs are there, 3 inputs there නම් අපිට ගන්න වෙනවා මේ විදිහට 8 patterns are there. මෙහෙම patterns ටික අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම දාගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. So there are 8 patterns. So මේ patterns අටේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ you can't take the answer at once. ඒක සරේ ගන්න බෑ. So you can take A dot B dash first, then you can use with the plus mark, you can connect with the C. Man kamanne ma eka karannanko mehema. A dot B dash. Man mehema daannan dash එක because when I am typing right, A dot B dash. So here you get 1. එතනත් 1. We also 1. So that's a NAND gate. එළිම NAND gate එකේ අපි truth table එකයි මේ දාන්නේ. 1 1 you get 0. Here also 0. ඔන්න ඔහමයි එන්නේ. Okay. මෙතන පොඩි mistake එකක් කරා. Here also 1. Then I will write it here. AB dash එක තමයි. Then AB dash plus C. Plus C. C එකට add කරන්න වෙනවා. Yeah, when you take inputs, it doesn't matter now. As example, if you take 0 instead of 0 0 0, if you take 1 1 1 මුලට ගත්ත ඒත් හරි. කාටවත් ඔයාලට වැරදි දාන්න බෑ. හරි. අපේ pattern එක අපි usually standard way of writing 0 0 වලින් පටන් ගත්තා. එහෙම හැබැයි ඔයා මුලින්ම 1 1 1 ලියලා 1 1 0 එහෙම හරි ඔයා mix කරලා ලිව්වොත් it doesn't matter. ඒක ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. එහෙම වැරදි නැහැ. අර ඉතින් අර බලද්දි පොඩ්ඩක් අර මිස් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ වගේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් එහෙම වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඉතින් එහෙම වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. Right? But it is better to use this way, but it's not wrong to write in your own way. හැබැයි 8 patterns කොහොම හරි තියෙනවා නම් it doesn't matter. ඒ ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. වැරදි නැහැ. Right? හරි. එතකොට අපේ output එක final output will be කොහොමද එන්නේ? plus C. එහෙනම් මේකත් එක්ක C එක. C එක මේවා කරාම එතන 1 එනවා. So here 1 මේ ඔක්කොම 1 නිසා මේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැතුව 1 ඔක්කොම එනවා. එකක් හරි 1 නම් output will be 1. මෙන්න මෙතනදී C එක 0 වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් මෙතනදී 0 වෙනවා. මෙතනදී C is 1. ඒ නිසා අපි this is your final output. This is your final output. Okay, try to find out the answer for 1.8. ඒ කියන්නේ 8 වෙනි ප්‍රශ්නෙට උත්තරේ හොයන්න බෑ. ඔන්න challenge එක. So when you are writing දැන් මම ඔයගොල්ලන්ට කියා දීපු method එක පාවිච්චි කරන්න දැන් ඉස්සෙල්ලා වැරදිච්ච අයටත් මේ method එක use කරන්න එකපාරක් හරි ඔයගොල්ලන්ට හරියට කරගන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි. මේක ලියා ගන්න count is there. count කියන variable එක තියෙනවා. ඒ වගේම තියෙනවා I කියලා variable එකක් තියෙනවා. ওই දෙකත් ඔහොම ලියාගෙන line by line you try to write and find the answers quickly and send me the answers. Yes, Vivan, it is you can't write 127 because 12 you have to take as a C. So that hexadecimal value. If you write 127, that's wrong. Right? Obviously, that's wrong. Don't write like that. Okay, shall we check? Oh, exam target questions. මේවා target questions කියන්නේ මට කියන්න පුළුවන් අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම Excel එකක් කියන. Access එකක් කියන. flow chart එකක් කියන. හරි එහෙම කියන්න පුළුවන්. අපි මේ වගේ ඒවා පොඩ්ඩක් ඉතින් target කරලා කරමු questions. right? හරි මම ගන්නම් count එක I එකයි. ඒතර count at the beginning 1. දැන් ලියන්නම් මම. For I equal 1 to 5. I එකක් වෙනම මෙතන තියෙනවා. I එක 1 to 5. එකේ ඉඳන් 5 දක්වා මේක වැඩ කරනවා. කියන්නේ පස් පාරක් මේ program එක යනවා. පස් පාරක් යනවා මේ program එක. Because that is controlled by the I. I එකෙන් තමයි control. Count equal count plus 2. එහෙනම් මෙතන මොකද වෙන්නේ? Count equal count plus 2. That means count become 3. ඒ එකනේ තියෙන count වල. ඒතකොට දෙකක් එකතු කරාම 3 කියන එක එනවා right tail එන්නේ. එහෙනම් 3 කියන මම මෙතන output එක ලියනවා 3 කියන එක or විතර print කර. I යනවා. I එක 2 වෙනවා. count equal count plus 2. දැන් මොකද වෙන්නේ? 3 එකට තියෙන්නේ count එකේ 3 plus 2 it become 5. 5 කියන එක ওই විදිහට එනවා. ඒතකොට count එක I යනවා. 3. I මොකද වෙන්නේ? 5 is there in the count. Count plus 2 මේක 7 වෙනවා. I එක 4 වෙනවා. Correct. Count equal count plus 2. This become 9. 9 එක right? 9 එක. Then count එක 5. Sorry, I එක 5 වෙනවා because it is going 5 times. 5 times එක එහෙනම් මේකට I 11 වෙනවා. එතකොට 3 5 7 9 11. ඔන්න ඕක තමයි output එක වෙන්නේ. හරි. ඒක මම හිතන්නේ සමහර අය වරද්දලා තිබ්බා. right? So you have a count. මෙතන count එක දිනවා and you have I. I කියන එකත් යනවා. I කියන එකත් යනවා. එතකොට I again tamai, it is controlling 5 times. It is going 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each time you are adding 2 to the count. But after adding only you are starting, you can decide 1 එක පෙන්නන්න 3 එකෙන් පටන් ගන්න. එහෙනම් 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. No answer එක එන්න ඕනේ. අර ලිව්වනම් මේ විදිහට හරි ලේසියෙන්ම හොයාගන්න පුළුවන්. Right? Some of you have made that mistake. Right? ඒක mistake එකක් වෙලා තිබුණා ගොඩක් අය. ඒ වගේ අනිවාර්යෙන් බලන්න වෙනවා. Right? ලියලා හරි හැම බලන්න කියන්නේ ඒකයි. Right? Okay, then because of the right ln it is going downwards. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ එක පේලියෙන් ලිව්වනම් ඒත් කරන්න. You have to write ln. Right ln means all the time the new line. So because of that, it goes to downwards. Right? Okay, we'll go to the 9 and 10. Okay, A, an audio media type. අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් S එක MP3. Then audio type, wave file. And audio editing software, motion box. The selection where the video using design to will be aligned timeline stage. Write a possible complication of computer vision syndrome. Write course of action. So computer vision syndrome means dry eyes, redness of eyes, double vision, right? So those are the things. So what is the course of action to avoid? You can take a break every like 30 minutes. And you can tell, you can keep the monitor and the eye, keep the monitor below the eye level and distance around 18 to 27 inches. Right? That is now this 1.9 is related to multimedia lesson 4. Lesson 4 make now last lesson. Okay, අපි යමු ඊළඟට question එකකට. I'm not going to do the theory. මේවා පොඩක් කරන්න යන්නේ නැහැ මම. අපි Excel එක try කරලා බලමු. I have done the Excel separate lesson for Excel. ඒ නිසා මම කියනවා Excel එක අපි try කරමු කියලා. Third question. තුන්වෙනි question එක. Try it out. Okay, first one, write the formula. I'm not giving much time. Then we will discuss the write the formula to be entered in cell C3 to find out selling price of product. Selling price එක pay unit selling price එක හැදිලා තියෙන්නේ කොහොමද? Purchase price එකට add වෙලා 10%. 10% add වෙලා තමයි මේක හැදිලා තියෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් ඔයාලට ලියන්න පුළුවන් equal B3 plus B3 is 10%. B3 into C අර පේනවාද C වල 9 එකේ තමයි අපේ percentage is there. But the percentage is not changing. 10% for each and every item. එහෙනම් අපිට මේක ඩොලර් මාක් එකක් දාලා because you are going to drag it down. අල්ලහට drag කරන නිසා අපිට මේ විදිහට ඩොලර් මාක් එකක් දාගන්න වෙනවා. This should be the answer. Then write the formula to be entered. Cell D3 to find the profit. Profit එක හොයලා මොකද ගන්න ඕනේ? එහෙනම් you can subtract B3 නේද? B3 අඩු කරා නම් හරි. Write the function to enter cell D8 to find the total profit. Total profit. How to find the total profit? You have to use the sum function. Equal sum. Within bracket you can tell D3 to D7. Yes, you are one of you asking first one, write the formula to enter as you say C3 to find the selling price of product. Profit is find out after the first one. එතකොට අපිට profit එක add කරන්න බෑ. Otherwise if you add B3 නේද B3 plus D3 your answer is coming as 412 එක එනවා. හැබැයි before that because we haven't find it. අපි ඊට පස්සේ තමයි profit එක හොයන්නේ second question එකේ. ඒක නිසා අපිට ඒක ගන්න බෑ. හරිද? ඒක නිසා අපිට ඒක ගන්න බෑ. ඒ නිසා මේ විදිහට first එකට answer එක you have to write the answer for the first one. This is the correct answer. Okay, come on, name ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා අහන්න. එතකොට I can explain why we are taking that, right? Then 3.4, write the function to write the cell addresses whose value would change if the percentage increase of the selling price. 15% වෙනස් කරනවා. එතකොට cell range එක අහනවා change with. what is changing? එහෙනම් මොකද වෙන්නේ? මේ ඔක්කොම change වෙනව නේද? එහෙනම් C3 වල ඉඳන් C7 වෙනකම් මේ ඔක්කොම change වෙනවා. D3 වල ඉඳන් D7 ඒ total එකක් change වෙනවා. D8 දක්වාම change වෙනවා. So you can tell C3 to C7 changing. නැත්තම් C3 C4 එහෙම දැම්මත් ඒත් වැරදි නෑ. But no need to write like that. C3 to C7 is changing and D3 to D8. ඒ total එකක් change වෙනවා. When you're changing the percentage, එකක් change වෙනවා. එකක් දාන්න. Write the name of two types of charts suitable for presenting the buying price of the item and the selling price of one item. So one item කියලා දීලා තියෙන නිසා අපිට pie chart උත් ගන්න පුළුවන් නැත්නම් line chart, bar chart, column chart ඕන එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. Right? Okay. අපි ඊළඟට යමු. පුතේ C9 is changing. C9 is changing. එතකොට අපි ඒක ගැන කියන්නේ නැහැ. ඒගොල්ලෝ කියලා තියෙන්නේ 15% මේ 10 එක 15 කරනවා කියලා. එතකොට C9 they are changing. ඒක change කරාම මොනවද change වෙන්නේ කියලා අහන්නේ. එතකොට අපි ඒක කියන්නේ නැහැ. ඒක නැතුව මේ set එකයි මෙතන ඉඳන් මෙතනටයි කියන්නේ. Okay. But database එකක් try කරමු because I have done a separate lesson for database. වෙනම lesson එකක් කරා. ඒක බලුවා නම් මේක කරගන්න පුළුවන් ගේමක් නැති. Second එකට පුතේ B3 into C9 බෑ. ඇයි එතකොට අපිට add වෙන්නේ නැහැනේ. එතකොට 10% එක add වෙච්ච එක විතරයි එන්නේ. Right? If you take, I will explain it. If you take C3 into මෙතන ඔයා ගත්තොත් C3 into මෙන්න මේ දෙක වැඩි කරොත් එහෙම ඔයාට එන්නේ අර වැඩි වෙච්ච 10% එක විතරයි. හරිද? වැඩි වෙච්ච 10% එක විතරයි. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයා මේකෙන් මේක හෙව්වොත් එහෙම 10% එක විතරයි. එතකොට මේක හැදිලා තියෙන්නේ කොහොමද? 10% එකයි ආයි මේකත් ඇඩ් වෙන්නේ මේ. මේක ඇඩ් වුනේ නැත්නම් 400 එන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ නිසා අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම ප්ලස් එකක් එන්න ඕන. I think that's clear. Okay, database එක අපි ඉක්මනට කරමු. Okay, write the primary key of the each table with the table name. එහෙනම් අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් student table එකේ ST number මේ විදිහටම දෙන්න ඕනේ ST number. Course table, you have to give the table name and the primary key. Student table ST number. Course table කියලා ලියලා code. Selection table එකේ මොකක්ද? ST number plus code. අන්න composite primary key එකක් ඇවිත්. ST number plus code. Which table has the foreign key? ඔයාට පේනවා මෙතන primary keys තමයි මෙන්න මේකට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ මේ. එහෙනම් ඔයද selection table එකේ තමයි foreign keys තියෙන්නේ. So what are the foreign keys? ST number, comma, code. ST number, comma, code plus දාන්න එපා කොයි වෙලාවකට. ST number එකත් primary foreign key එකක්. Code also foreign key. It's a separately, but when you put a plus, it becomes a composite primary key. So don't write that like that. ST number, comma, code. Then what is the total amount paid for course by Amara? Amara හොයාගන්න ඕනේ මුලින්ම මෙන්න Amara ඉන්නවා S2 මෙන්න එයා කරන course ටික මොනවද එයා කරන්නේ S2 එක්කන කරන course මෙන්න මෙතන කරනවා. එතකොට C002 එක කරනවා එයා. I කරනවා C006 ඒ කියන්නේ 2 lakh එකක් තියෙනවා 1.5 lakhs. එතකොට ඔක්කොම 3.5 lakhs. Then 350,000. Add කරලා ගන්න. Yeah. Write the appropriate data format for the field. ST number අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් because of the letter S අපි ගන්න text එකක් විදියට. මේක text එකක්. Date of birth, date and time. Fees normally we are taking as currency. Period කියන එක මෙතන මේ අපිට ගන්න වෙන්නේ year කියන වචනේ එක තියෙන නිසා අපි ගමු text විදියට. Then what table need to be updated if the student Risana enroll in the language course update and write them. එතකොට ඔයා ලියන්න ඕනේ. Student table එක. ST number will be S6. Name එක Risana. They haven't given a date of birth. Make a blank here. You keep it blank. Doesn't matter. ඒ වගේම අපේ course එක යා කරනවා කියනවා language course. Language course is there. මෙතන තියෙනවානේ. ඒක අපි ලියන්න ඕනේ. මේක update වෙන්නේ නැහැ. But selection table is update. Selection table එනවා ඔයා ලියන්න ඕනේ මෙතන S6 C006. That's the code. Period එකක් අපිට ගන්න ඕනනම් ගන්න පුළුවන් early එකේ 2 years දීලා තියෙන නිසා මෙතනත් ඕනනම් 2 years ම ගන්න. Okay, it's given in the course table. Sorry, earlier C6006 එකේ දීලා තියෙන නිසා you can take 2 years. Okay, so I will go to the 4.4 පුතේ ST number text. Date of birth, date and time. Fees, currency. Period, text. Period we took text as because of the year. Word year කියලා තියෙන නිසා අපි text එකක් විදිහටම ගත නැත්තම් number ගන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. එතකොට මම මෙතන හරි. අපි HTML එකත් කතා කරමු ටක් ගාලා. We have done a separate lesson for that. It's a theory. Theory the internet is driven by using the protocol තමයි අපි internet එක use කරන්න ගන්න. Used to link website and database file. Website and database file ඇත්තටම PHP. PHP ඔයගොල්ලන් නිකන් කියලා තියෙනවා PHP, WAMP server and all that. So you can link website and the database. Now when you take Dara, so they are running a database. Right? Joomla, WordPress වගේ වෙන් කරන්නේ ඒක dynamic websites. The PHP අපිට ඕනේ. Free web authoring tool එකක් තමයි CK editor. It's there in the book. පොතේ තියෙනවා. Used to upload website file සීලා. That is also in your textbook theory එකේ තියෙනවා. හරි. ඊළඟ අපි යමු පොඩ්ඩක් ඔන්න list එකක් දීලා තියෙනවා. try කරමු අපි what are the tags you are getting. මම මේක චූට්ටක් පොඩි කරන්න. But I have given the type of process there. Process කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. Title 1 එක දීලා තියෙනවා. What is the tag? Come on, I'm good. Right? So 1 is there. Before the title, definitely you have to have head tag on head එක තියෙනවා. 1 is head. Second one, you can see inside the second you have centered and type of processor. වාට පේනවා ලොකු text එකක් තියෙනවා. ලොකු text එකක් දීලා තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් ඒක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම H1 to H2 වගේ එකක් එන්න ඕනේ. But here we have H1. එහෙනම් H1. 2 is H1. 3 මෙතනින් පටන් ගන්න මෙන්න මෙතනින් ඉවර වෙන්නේ. So paragraph you can take 3 as P. 4 you can take central processing unit and all this stuff. Here underline වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. So 4 is U. 5 you will be getting this 10 එකත් එක්ක තියෙන 5 එක. 10 එකත් අපි කියලිම 10 එකත් අපි මෙතනදී කියන්න පුළුවන් table. 10 is table, 5 is border. එහෙනම් ඔයාලට දීලා තියෙනවා table එක TR. When you take 6 number of CPU you can see it as a bold color නේ. Number of CPU types ඔක්කොම bold color. එහෙනම් ඒක TH එකක්. එහෙනම් 7 එක normal data TD. එතකොට අපි කතා කරා 10 එකත් 8 එක කොහේ හරි ඇති 8 එක මෙතන තියෙනවා. මේ IMG SRC image එක JPG 8 එක 200 9 එක 200. So that is actually width and height. එතකොට width and height 8 එකට width දාලා 9 එක height දාන්න පුළුවන්. Otherwise 9 එක width දාලා it doesn't matter. ඒ දෙක මාරුවා කියලා ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. Width and height is coming. So very easily you can get 10 marks. Then I am going to discuss word I am not going to discuss. Flow chart එක ටිකක් අමාරුයි කියලා කියන එක. බලමු අපි. Right? First try to find out the ABCD. හරිම ලේසියෙන් හොයන්න පුළුවන් ඒක. History ටික blanks හොයන්න තියෙනවා. I'll give you small time. Try to find out. Shall we check that? So according to this one, there are 500 students. ඒගොල්ලන්ගෙන් තමයි vote ගන්න යන්නේ. Count එක 0 දීලා තියෙනවා, number of members 500 දීලා තියෙනවා. We read 0, we blue 0, we reject 0 at the beginning. Now count එක 0, it should go up to 500 times. So A should be 500. Less than or equal නෑ. එතකොට with the 0, it is going up to 499. 499 දක්වා මේක යන්නේ. හැබැයි ඔයාගේ ඔක්කොම ගත්තොත් එහෙම full amount එක 500ක් ගිහිල්ලා. Right? එතකොට fine. Then get the vote. Vote we read නම් අපි මොකද කරන්නේ මෙතන? අපිට මේක add කරන්න ඕනේ. නම් we read equal we read plus 1. එකක් එකතු වෙන්න ඕනේ. මෙන්න මේ වගේ. මෙන්න මේකෙම අපි ලියන්නේ read එක දාලා. We read equal we read plus 1. So B is yes. B එක මට කියන්න බැහැ. මේක yes පැත්තට තමයි යන්නේ. මේ no පැත්ත දීලා තියෙනවානේ. ඒක බලන්න දෙයක්වත් නැහැ. B එක definitely yes. එහෙනම් C එක මොකද්ද? මේකම තමයි මෙතනට එන්නේ. එහෙනම් මෙතනට එන්නේ vote එක equal V blue. Vote equal V blue. මෙන්න මෙතන පොඩි mistake එකක් තියෙනවා E එකට. අනිවාර්යෙන් ඔයා දාන්න ඕනි E එකට මොකද්ද? අනිවාර්යෙන්ම එන්න ඕන එකක් තමයි count එක. You have to increase by 1. Count equal count plus 1. මේක එන්න ඕන. මේකත් එක්ක අපිට rejected එකත් 1 by 1 calculate කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ නිසා මේ දෙකම මේකට දාන්න usually you should get 2 process box. නමුත් මේකේ sorry we reject ඒක නිසා මේකේ එහෙම දාලා නැහැ. ඒතකොට මේ දෙකටම ලකුණු දෙන්න පුළුවන්. we reject equal we reject plus 1. we reject plus 1. count එකත් ඕනෙමයි. count equal count plus 1. Otherwise you can't go up to 500 times. Okay, go the flow chart for the following pseudocode. එහෙනම් මම අඳින්නම් මෙතන start input age. මම ගන්නවා age එකක්. input age. Then if age less than, මෙතන less than is there, age less than display can't vote. එහෙනම් yes නම් you are going to display can't vote. less than නම් vote කරන්න බෑ. No නම් that means the condition false උනත් අපි පෙන්නනවා display can vote. end කරන්න you can connect it here. This is the way you have to do that. Right? Start input age, then check in because according to the pseudocode is given age less than 8. කියලා check කරන්න. Yes, display can't vote. Display can. Okay, so we did it quickly. අපි ඉක්මනට මේක වැඩේ කරගෙන ගියා because I wanted to discuss all the question except those theory and all that. So I think you got something. So try to do more questions. අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම questions කරන්න. ඒක තමයි to go for a A pass. නැත්නම් සාමාන්‍ය අපි theoretical නැත්නම් you can go for S pass, doesn't matter. But try to go for A pass. There's a best and one and only method is doing papers. So I'm not going to discuss past papers because I took 3 years questions 2019, 20 and 21 for each lesson. So I'm not going to separately discuss the past paper. But I'll be doing this kind of a 6 question. I will put the marking scheme. ඇති මං ගාව. I will send that marking scheme to the group. එතකොට ඒක චුට්ටක් බලන්න. If you have any problem, you send me a message. එතකොට මම ඒක explain කරන්න. Some answers are wrong for the marking scheme, but anyway I'll send 6 question will be okay, right? Okay, Pute. So we'll finish for the day. So we'll meet another day to discuss another question paper. Okay, thank you very much and have a nice day.